Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. First off, want to say I hope you had a great holiday. I wish you the best for the new year. And we are still busy. It's still lots happening over at StockMarketMentor.com. We have one of our biggest product sales ever happening right now for members. And if you want a discount on some of our premium products, you can join the website for $7 and then get a 40% discount on some of Dan Fitzpatrick's best courses. So definitely check that out at stockmarketmentor.com. Really quick here, want to share a chart with you. It's KWEB. This is the Chinese Internet ETF. Now, I kind of go back and forth with China stocks. I typically don't trade single China stocks because you can get something like TAL Education that goes from $88 or actually even higher, over $90 to $1. I mean, a 98% pullback. You know, if you were to show this chart to anyone, they'd probably look at it and be like, is that a crypto? I've seen crypto do that. But China stocks can do it as well. I mean, just look at NEO, for example. NEO's really kind of been floundering here after a massive run. They can give you these massive runs, but they also tend to pull back hard. And so I tend to be kind of iffy on China stocks, but I do see the pattern here on KWEB. The technical analyst in me says, look at the chart. Don't think about the noise. And so I see a chart right here where price is above all the major moving averages and in a short base. And we can draw a downward sloping trend line from the high here and see it's trying to break out of this clear flag pattern. Not only that, when it does go up, it goes up on heavier than average volume, and when it does pull back, it pulls back on less than average volume. And so the technical pattern is there. If you can kind of get away from China and the fear of trading a China stock. And so this has less single stock risk. There's obviously still tons of risk when you trade anything that is overseas, especially something China-based. So just want to make that clear. Don't feel like you have to do this. A lot of people don't. I may or may not. I don't know yet. But I do see the pattern here, and I see that it's trying to break out and push above a clear pivot. So want to bring this chart to your attention. Definitely one I'm going to keep on a watch list over the next few weeks. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already. And like I said, check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. We have discounts on memberships, discounts on premium products, and you can try out the website for a whole month for a mere $7. So I hope to see you at StockMarketMentor.com.